All right, first video, let's go. What's up, everybody? My name's Dave. I'm a working handyman, I'm a business owner, and just like you, I started with tools, hustle, and zero idea of what I was doing. I just knew I wanted to get out and start my own business and make something happen. I've made mistakes, I've undercharged, I've worked late nights, and I've learned what actually works and what doesn't. Trial and error in 20 years of doing it. But you know what I realized? I realized something very important. Out of all my years doing this, I've met thousands of skilled tradesmen who don't need motivation. They're motivated. They're ready to work. They got the skills, but they need direction. That's why I started the Handyman Hustle Academy. This isn't a guru program. This is a community. This is real world tradesman to tradesman education. Inside this community, we're going to focus on how to start a handyman business the right way. Pricing jobs with confidence, finding consistent work, and setting up systems so you're not trapped in your tools forever. You can actually run your business. If you're tired of working for someone and you want to replace your job and control your time, this is for you. This is a community, and this is a path to freedom. No boss, no clock, just freedom and income. My name's Dave, and I'm the founder of Handyman Hustle Academy. Hit that subscribe, smash the like. In the description, there's a link. Let's get to work.